Creating a logo might sound complicated, but with Canva, it's actually super easy and you don't need to be a professional designer to make something that looks amazing. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to make your own custom logo step by step right inside Canva. First, open Canva and search for logo in the search bar. You'll instantly see a massive library of professional logo templates, perfect for any style or business type. Take a few seconds to browse and choose one that fits your brand's vibe. Whether you want something minimal, modern, or bold, there's a design for everyone. Once you've picked your template, it's time to make it your own. Double-click any element to customize it. Change the text, fonts, and colors to match your brand identity. You can upload your own icons, add shapes, or even use Canva's built-in elements to give your logo a unique twist. Now, here's where you can really get creative. Try experimenting with Canva's advanced tools. Adjust transparency, layer elements, or use gradients to make your logo pop. A small detail like alignment or spacing can completely change the final look, so take your time and tweak until it feels just right. When you're happy with your design, click Download at the top right corner. Choose a high-quality file format. PNG is great for most uses, but you can also select transparent background if you plan to place it on different colors. And that's it. You've just created your own professional logo in Canva. No fancy software, no design degree, just creativity and a few clicks. If you found this helpful, stick around for more easy design tips to help you build your brand like a pro.